I'm Alize. We both hail from Jhajjar, Haryana, a place known for its hardworking farmers and rich traditions. In India, nearly 75% of rural women are involved in agriculture.
Yet they own less than 13% of land and earn just a fraction of what they contribute.
We saw the imbalance firsthand that women work tirelessly from planting to harvesting, but rarely get an equal share.
That's why we started Anandmay, an all women led startup where from growing to crafting, from production to marketing, everything is done by women.
At Anandmay, we produce natural treasures like pure desi ghee, raw honey, nutritious millet products, and soothing herbal soups, all lovingly made by our faithful rural women.
Each product you buy doesn't just bring nature's best to your home, it also gives our women economic independence and dignity.
Today, women in Anandmay shares 100% of the profits equally because every hand that works deserves a hand in the rewards. Join us in building a future where our women grow, earn, and shine. Support Anandmay, where every product has a story of strength.